or in my east hand? Which one you want me to read first, Mr. Grin?
Любся, тебе уже спать скоро.
Left hand.
Neighbors help. Neighbors help each other in many ways. First, on Wednesday, October 16th, the neighbor that lives across my street, he once lost his dog. My mom went outside to sit on my bench. Accidentally, my mom saw a dog running free to the playground. My mom ran to get the dog that was running free to the playground. My mom called the dog, just going from house to house, asking, Is this your dog? No one said yes. Then my mom called the police. Then she called the animal control. Meanwhile, I got to keep the dog for a little bit. Before my mom drove me to swimming classes, my mom drove up to the house with a fake deer. The owner of the house went outside to my mom's car to get his dog. He said, Thank you. My mom said, You're welcome. Then my mom drove me to my swimming classes. The end.
Thank you, bravo.
Stop. That was spectacular from Mr. Arrogant.
Stop.
That's all. Thank you for listening to Robin's story and watching his spectacular.